Good afternoon and Ulavinaka to you all. It is my pleasure and also my commitment to ensure that I have a word with all Fijians that are selected under our labor mobility program before you leave Australia. First of all, congratulations to all of you on your selection to represent Fiji under our Bala partnership with Australia. For your information, this partnership was signed by the Fiji Affairs government and the Australian government. Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, the reason also for me to be here this afternoon is to remind all of you that what is expected out of you. As you all are aware, that under this program, we have sent around close to 5,500 Fijians as of now. And every week, basically, we are sending our Fijians to Australia under this program. The branding that we have earned in Australia is the result of you joining the others in Australia. So my message this afternoon is, please do not destroy the name that we have earned so far. Because if you are focused, if you're going to do what you are supposed to do, then you are opening doors for all those who are registered under this program to go to Australia. Just like you all were expecting that all those who have gone to make good name of Fiji, the brand itself, and they have done their share of work. Now it is your turn to make sure that you do your best so that the doors can be opened for the rest of your brothers and sisters who have applied under this program. For your information, yesterday afternoon, I hosted a consultation forum with members of the Fijian business community, the Chamber of Commerce and Employers Federation, Fiji National University, and other key stakeholders. The forum yesterday was to hear their concerns on the growing number of skilled workers that are leaving Fiji to join this labor mobility program. The employers, I'm talking about the local employers here, their main concern is in relation to most of the skilled workers not giving them the advance notice that they are leaving, or even resigning when they are already in Australia. I have highlighted these concerns to the last group that went. And I'm reminding all of you that those who are currently employed, please inform your employers well in advance that you have been selected to work in Australia, and your advance notice will enable the local employers to find suitable replacement to fill the gaps that you will be leaving behind. And as the Minister responsible for employment, while I had congratulated you all on your selections, I must also ensure that our local employers are not disadvantaged by all of you leaving our shores. And this was the reason why I have given my assurance during the consultation yesterday that there will be a steering committee that will be set up to address the concerns from all our local employers. But for now, I have been told by my team that you are going to the 6 different employers, mainly in the meatworks industry, for 4 years, while the rest of you are joining the seasonal work program under the horticulture industry for up to 9 months before returning home. At this juncture, on your behalf and on behalf of the Fijian government, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all the approved employers for having faith in all of you. Before I conclude, there has been a few comments in the Facebook that the comments by some politicians, let's put it straight, that we have not revealed the contract aspect to all of you, which is not true. And that is why we have this workshop, so that you can ask for yourself to the representatives from the ministry here anything that you think is doubtful. So I want to make it very clear that people should not play politics with this program. This is for your future. This is for your family. And this is for your community. I was very hurt day before yesterday when I read that in the Facebook by the so-called politicians. As I said, that this program was signed by the Fiji first government and the then Australian government. I want to make it very clear. So I want to wish you all the very best. May God bless you all. Vinaka, and thank you.